Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you different features found on WizIQ. First, I'm going to log in. Alright, let's start with the menu. Here you find library, course, test, live classes, and privacy policy. So let's see what's on the library. So on the library, you find files that were uploaded there, and if you want to download them, you can click here, download, or if you want to edit one of the files that you might have also be the one who uploaded it. Then we go back to the courses. We see the courses that are already there. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 courses already here, and if you want to view them, you can click on view, and then you see when the course will start and in what language it's gonna be and for how long it's gonna be. And then you can also see if there are like classes that are scheduled, discussion that have taken place, no discussion yet, and then people that have enrolled in this course, nobody yet. If you want to enroll, you can just click there and see if there are assignments, and then there's no assignments yet. So we go back to the menu, and then we go to the courses. Okay, let's just then we check this way the active these are the active courses, and then we look at the past courses. There are no past courses, and then we look at the draft if there are any courses that have been, yes, there are 2 of them. Alright, and then we go to the test. If there are any tests, no test, not even in the draft. Past test, no, nothing. Okay, and then we go to live classes. If there are any live class, no live classes. Interesting. Let's see if there were any live classes in the past few days. Okay, there has been one. Okay, group H2 presentation. Right. Then we go back to the menu again. This privacy policies is actually the policy about terms and conditions that you read, and if you agree, just click on agree. Right, so that's basically some of the features, and I am going to show you more features like on live class. When we have live class, I'm going to show you more features and explain to you on how to utilize those features. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.